Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to pin and unpin recipes and blueprints from your HUD to make it easier to remember what you need to gather in order to build different things. So when you open up your inventory and go into your blueprints, you can scan through pretty much all of the stuff that you know how to make and build. And if you got something that's on your mind that you really want to build, like say you want to build the repair tool, you can pin that up here in the corner of your screen, and you can pin more than one thing at a time. Now the problem is, once you have a bunch of stuff pinned, it really starts to fill up your UI space. It covers your screen after a little while, and it's really easy to accidentally pin something. I've done that before, even just going through the crafting station, because you can hover over things and pin them here as well. So what do you do if you want to clean all that junk out of your screen? Well, the simple answer is you can just go through and find them and unpin them one by one manually. That includes going back through your blueprints and clicking them as well. Or if you hover in the upper right corner, you can just hit the unpin all button. And then that's it. That's how you handle pinning things, to remember them, and how to get rid of it in case you did so by accident. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.